Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide recovery page from system settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I am going to show you the recovery page on system setting. Right click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane click on system, and here scroll down, you will find a recovery page. Here click on recovery to enter the recovery page, and you can change the configuration from here. Now I am going to show you how to hide this recovery page from system settings. Close settings, in search type gpedit, click on edit group policy. Under computer configuration click on administrative template and expand it. Now click on control panel. Here you will find a settings page visibility. Click on settings page visibility and right click on it, and then click on edit. Now click on enable, and under settings page visibility type hide clone recovery, hide clone recovery, and now click on apply and then click on OK. To make immediate effective your changes in group policy, you need to update the group policy. To update group policy, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update /force. Now click on OK. Group policy is updating. Computer policy update has completed successfully. Now I'm going to check. Right click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane click on system, and now scroll down, and now look, recovery page is not showing on system settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.